Um, just someone said to you real quick before I go river.
Alright, well, listen. I gotta say, I'm saying something.
I hear you. Zoe, find it back. No, send it back, send it back, send it back, send it back. No man, come help me get it back, quick. You can't style a style. You can't style a style. My marriage, it can't be my marriage. Me did done long time. You can't style a style, youth. We are talking about, oh, you fi style a style. Me did done long motherfucking time. What you mean by at this me want this in my face, girl? You crazy? At this me want this in my face. Me now got this in back and face. Me want this in my face, girl. You know see drunk send request to me and after me go take it now him come try feel like he want we call it. Me done gone already. Why you think me would go back there so? Oh, hey, me I beg you now. Wanna go in the comment section and write shit in a bag for me. Go in and comment and write shit in a bag, boy. Remember me tell you, Kevin can't style me. Kevin can't style me. Kevin can't style me. Shit in a bag, dirty boy. That the boy they went teeth rotten. Look here, you young blood clot boy. Your teeth rotten, no blood clot. Your mouth stink, no blood clot. You can't style me. You can't blood clot style me. Me done with your long blood clot time. I used send request come over here. That's why me did want him take the request this while ago. Because you can't blood clot. Go because you can't blood clot style me drunk crow. Blood clot boy. In my first half, me with that boy, you know. And after me sister be use the blood clot boy you want me for use me for my blood clot money. TikTok police, you can't blood clot style me dirty stinking boy. Rotten teeth blood clot boy, you send requests over. You say people them make you have a heads up and know say me no want you, but done with you. You see me? You come over, you say you can't style a blood clot style a drunk row. Drunk go fix your blood clot. Oh stop. You talk about toxic. Are you blood clot toxic drunk crow? Look upon you. You go talk about toxic. You know the reason why I talk about toxic? Because him figure say me figure him out. You see, because him find out say me figure him out and me see him style and know the chap when they pan, him a talk about toxic. A real woman a go talk. You don't even have reasonable blood clot ability. You have reasonability dog shit. Eh? You have reasonability, dog shit. You don't have no reasonability. You're a selfish motherfucker. You come going like you're smarty. You're smarty? Go fix your blood clot. Oh, stop. Shit in a bag, blood clot. Drunk crow. You should have get glad girl like me, blood clot. See with you. And I try for blood clot. They run your dog shit. You come like some steel. You're a batty man. And that you be when man will get up in the night and go in a man car. You're a batty man, TikTok police. You can blood clot style me dog shit. You is a batty blood clot boy. You go in a man blood clot carrying a miggle blood clot night drunk row. You will sell your body for blood clot TikTok money dog shit. You can't chat to me. I come go like you're smaddy. You're smaddy. You're blood clot smaddy. You're smaddy. Eh? Any one of your people them come over, you go suck out to no mother, suck good boy. You suck good like a blood clot brief. Suck good blood clot police are you me attack to your blood clot smaddy? Eh? Dog shit you smaddy, you suck good like a brief. A first man missing the back of man, so drunk crow. Batty man deadwood boy, when me have a blood clot, squeeze your blood clot, titty them for you turn up. Go away, for a young blood clot boy, you can't even put on 2 rounds of blood clot 6. You think no blood clot. Remember me tell you that. For a young blood clot, boy, me have to squeeze your blood clot, titty them for your hood, turn up, dead wood, drunk crow. Dead wood, blood clot, drunk crow, go fix your blood clot, oh stop, you come style. You can't style because me left you. Remember me tell you, me walk off blood clot left you. And that my blood clot though, because you want to use me for the little bit of money when me have drunk crow. Yeah, you can't help me for fix my blood clot house. Where you can blood clot the dog shit. You is a blood clot pimp, one ghetto blood clot pimp. Who you? You smarty? You smarty TikTok blood clot police? Deadwood blood clot boy? Eh? Go fix your leak blood clot ceiling dog shit. And that you fi go fix. You eat your mama like a dog. That's why me not like you. And when your mother don't like me TikTok police, you eat your blood clot mama. Any man will eat them blood clot mama, me not like them. Yeah, me tell you, one of the biggest reasons why me not like you. You not like your blood clot mama will birth your dog shit. And any man will not like their mother. Me can't blood clot like you. Bumblewall. And because your sister me now blood clots look your way, that's why you come go on. So go suck out your mother. Go suck out the deepest part of your big thinking blood clot mama. And that me I tell you. So me show you how me blood clot deal with it when me eat your dirty boy. Drunk crow. What you feel like? Wanna feel say me I come back a puppy now? Wanna feel like me I come back a puppy now? Wanna feel say me want come back a puppy now? TikTok police go suck out your mama where you eat. Go suck out your mama where you eat and 10 and 99. Move your dirty blood clot. That's why God now go bless you. You eat your blood clot mother will birth your dog shit. Anytime a man eat them mama, you now go no blood clot way. Love me no man. Oi, and let me tell you no now. Let me take time. Alright. I look at Batty boy because me left him come over here so come bust blood clot style. You understand because him sister me not in him. He go suck him mother and go.
No man alone.
I him come over here, me not trouble him.
I accept him for. I'm more than you know say I'm more mix up this ass.
One blood clot more mix up. I'm gonna make you make Jabas and the whole of them know how your blood clot chat them. You eat Jabas and Jaden. You eat Jabas and Jaden. Your bad mind Jabas and Jaden drunk crow. Your bad mind Jabas and Jaden. You eat but Jabas and Jaden. I be a chat your chat blood clot Jabas. I be a chat your chat blood clot Jabas. You eat blood clot Jabas and bumbo clot Jaden. All the man them a try with your dog shit. You eat the blood clot man them bad mind blood clot pussy hole boy. Go suck out your mama. Boy, you smarty? You smarty? As you use people for views. You started from beginning. And that me figure out. You hear me tell you, me blood clot, you come over yourself for my NOC in me, no. NOC in my blood clot in a dog shit. Bumba while you cute woman and can't buy woman a blood clot drink. Me no want no hear from no from no from over there, so. Drunk crow. You can't buy woman a blood clot drink. You can't make 12 to 12 and me sit down your whole blood clot night. Broke pocket blood clot boy. You want to live for my blood clot money. As you make $100 on TikTok, you go draw for drunk crow. You can't make 12 to 12 and can't even buy me a blood clot liquor. Me sit down there with my mouth dry. Pussy. Me go buy me one blood clot liquor and enjoy my blood clot self dog shit. You broke no blood clot. And that's how you go down for no blood clot ni and suck cock. Yeah, smaddy. Yeah, blood clot smaddy. You want me to run you down dog shit? All blood clot swine. Yeah, blood clot smaddy rotten teeth blood clot boy. Eh? Dirty thinking drunk where your teeth at you make you go up on your head and do dirty wine. Dirty drunk where your teeth at you and go up on your head go do dirty blood clot wine. Eh? Yeah, blood clot smaddy dog shit. Yeah, smaddy. Eh? You come over here so come blood clot go on, you smart.
To the pan Zoe page. Oh.
Them banana my page.
Oh,
them banana your page.
What go on?
Follow back on the page.
One know if you have blood clot, smart. Back blood clot, stinking blood clot police, are you me attack? Rotten teeth blood clot boy, are you me a blood clot attack? Dead with blood clot police. When me have to work for your blood clot nipple for your hood turn up. Are you me a blood clot attack drunk crow? Who be it? Are you me a blood clot chat? Thinking police where you eat your blood clot, mama. Are you me a blood clot drunk crow? Your broke pocket blood clot, yo. You cute woman and can't buy me a blood clot drink. Me
Yes.
don't want blood clot night. If me never can, me want a blood clot drink. Mother dead for blood clot thirst.
Yeah.
Go suck your mama.
Yeah.
Think like a blood clot dog.
Yeah.
Our boy police. Our
What's
police.
up, bro?
And
Tell me
if
my
you
police.
have an icky area, sir.
Yeah.
Ibo Avan
do that
first.
for?
Brad, you
What?
remember the night when we did that day? Him
Yeah.
left. After me and him did a beard and everything, him
Yeah,
take up phone and call man in a night.
Oh,
to come
suck
pick
your
him
mother
up.
police.
Yeah, because we did hear him one at a time to a plan for left. But we think
What job
we
is look help? Suck your mother police.
No, I use him, I use me. Yes, when
Eh.
he see me get money, he will itch up on me. I
Yeah.
style, look a drunk style me.
No,
Pussy,
sir, that
you
not
feel
go
like
work.
blood clot,
That
you
not go
must
work.
say, and Jaden know say you eat them like a dose of blood clot poison.
Eh.
Let bad mind blood clot Jaden and Jabba's drunk bro.
So you never
Thinking
tell
dog
me.
shit.
Eh?
So
So you
Jaden
never
rub
tell
me
me.
now. Jaden, answer.
Oh, you never tell me.
Dark.
Cause
But
we
I'm
see
me a
blood
keep him.
clot. Annie, you know what we want to tell how long say boy more think or you kiss him.
Jesus Christ.
Dirty dog shit and rotten teeth drunk bro. Every night him teeth at him go up on his head go do dirty wine. Every night the blood clot boy teeth at him go up on his head go do dirty blood
So
clot
but the
wine.
boy if you true then.
Of course, he's a suck good boy. Him suck good like a brief. He get up in a middle night, go in a man blood clot car, go suck dick. Suck dick drunk crow. Here's a blood clot back road, go. Go suck out the deepest part of your blood clot, mama. That's
Suck
why your
out,
mama
your mama
8 or
police.
9 year and blood clot 10 year.
Yeah.
Eh?
Talk, auntie, talk.
Yes,
Talk
money.
man, talk.
I
The boy
told man,
if
I
come on yard. If
down.
you come
Talk,
on
man.
blood clot yard. I beg
Yeah.
you have to beg blood clot neighbor for go shit drunk crow. You shit in your own house.
Blood
Let the people
clot.
them know say you shit in your own blood clot house.
Honey,
Drunk crow, you know no bathroom for use. Enough time them see you constipated no blood clot. Shit a kill you. You want shit to blood clot and you can't shit because you know no toilet.
Jesus
Suck out your
Christ.
mama. You shit in a scandal bag that shit a empty at night time. Think like. Me have to beg blood clot neighbor when me want go me yard, there come blood clot begs. You have bathroom for woman use. You have blood clot bathroom for woman use. I
No,
never
man.
have blood clot rate me for me use them blood clot bathroom. If you never blood clot rate me. Remember me tell you me shit up myself up there.
I see one here that do up. You that do up, Annie, I fuck with that. A true
Eh?
girl.
Yo.
Yeah, that do up, it's true.
Dog shit. Go fix your blood clot. Oh, stop. One big old dirty blood clot wall for your young blood clot boy like you. A 3 blood clot bucket you put in your old blood clot shop for catch water. But suck your mother. You come go like you're smaddy. You're smaddy. Eh?
Police to blood clot outside and like around door. Cause I know you can leave and try to make it look like you're fucking in that class out.
The boy
This
bright.
is me there you say now. I'm
I
Jay.
fuck
Me
me,
there
my
say,
keep
me
up.
relax
Fucking
myself, you know.
pussy.
And
This
you
is
look
how you
at the
relax,
blood
man.
clot, mama man, so good boy, come over here say now come true style, you know. Like he want come friend me there. When him
Yeah.
say he not get through. Pussy me case and cut out because I'm a pre the comment section, you know, cause I give him a look, you know, and broke, you know. He hungry now. So him
Hungry
come
like
out
a
now
dog.
and try look something. As he
Yes.
make $1,200, him jump off a blood clot line, him giant, he run go party. Pop in! You man! Oh, you saw me thing there. As you done to blood clot, him come back per line when the blood clot money done.
A kitty man,
That's
I'm a
money.
kitty friend. Mm-hmm.
No bumbleclot. Take back your TV.
I don't want it back, make him take it. When him hungry, make him go sell blood clot it. Remember me tell you
Him a
that.
go sell it, you know. Him a go sell it, you know. Believe me.
I'm
You know.
What's him
Annie make he can see in the future and him a deal with Annie. So enough to do it, man.
You know if you do it, man. You know if you do it. I come.
Blood clot, me. I want to keep on kind of weakness, no blood clot. I fuck him a keep up.
Well on the D. Cause remember some man use you know. Wait, well on the D. Well on the.
Guys, on the tap on the screen for me now.
Annie. Why, 200 years some man using you know. Come, let me talk to him. Come.
It's out why.
Annie,
You
let me tell you
can't
something,
diss me. TikTok police don't know a thing about me. The only thing he do is lie down and fuck me. TikTok police can't blood clot this me. Why more about me more than why I go chat about on the media? And if me can't think kill, if me a drunk or my drunk or.
Annie, he can't fuck good.
Where say me say the boy can't run 2 rounds. Me can't get 2 rounds out of him.
Me
Alive.
Jesus.
Me can't get 2 blood clot run out of him.
Me
Me
Jesus.
can't get 2 run out of him. You
Me
tell you,
Jesus.
the only thing him like is back so you can look up in my body hole. Go suck your mother. You think me not pray you out? You, only thing him make the people them know. Cause them gonna find out about you.
No, sir.
Alright, let's go.
Hey.
You got blood clot class. You can class.
Hey, me I tell you now, Annie really love me and Javas, you know, because Annie could have class we, you know. Hey, Annie could have class we, you know, for true, you know, guys. Annie really love me and Javas for true. Because Annie could have class we, bro.
You can't blood clot class. You know nothing about me. Only thing in my talk is where you dep on media can open up your mouth and blood clot talk. Tell the people them say you dep on your blood, you're there in your house and
G19.
man. And that you figure blood clot tell people.
Annie, you know, say you love me and
Guys, double tap, guys, double tap.
Annie,
Of course, me love you and Jabba, so no real.
because you know, say you could have class we.
On
I
a
never know,
real.
say I saw your mouth so dirty.
Yeah, man, animal, bad man.
Never know, say I saw your mouth.
When
back.
me rate you.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, come over here so we start. Okay, bless up yourself, baby.
Bro, you cannot have a woman and every night you go party. You must fuck party. You must love, man. You can't have a woman, bro.
Guys, push up the
every
score,
time
chat.
you
Push
go
up the
out
score. Guys,
at
you all
night
over
time,
here,
bro.
so guys, we score the right here, so if
Come
you
on,
not
guys,
support me,
we push the score for
we
true.
push up the score. But the right here, so we do, guys. Everybody can come together and tap on the screen. You understand?
Me not dirty police, you know, but here we go on. Police always have blood clot try to make your woman look like pussy on the blood clot app. You need to stop them blood clot fuck with it.
Need to stop them fuck with it for true, bro.
Push up the score, chat.
I pay a fuck ring, keep up with you.
And a fresh icky boy did have.
A fresh icky.
Anna come
Icky.
change the
Text
topic.
me now. And he text me after to me say, if why we did it, if Mr. Icky pan in it, me say me never look at what me I look for police neck for.
D, you have your man, you must know when your man have on a fresh icky.
First
You
thing
must know
first.
the icky. Him say me put on the icky the 14.
I
Check
learn
it
now blood clot tell, go so alive. But he got woman and yard. And then he want to come and me that go argue.
That means that Icky want me get.
caught.
That means that Icky want me get to supposed to still left our mind. Like, remember, see me a bleach, you know. My Icky go take long. Remember, some white on me, so my Icky go take long to come out.
Yes, baby.
I'm going to tell you something when me figure out. You see, when me go there, in the first half, every time I go up there, good. But you know, like when somebody have somebody and mess, like me did it, and it have become like, me did it too long, like, overstay my time. And then some start to go say this pussy have a girl.
Right, me I tell Annie say I have woman in the house.
Right?
People them a say I'm in the house.
Right.
Yes. When me did that, the look of batty boy no stay did it. He no stay did it. You understand me? He no stay did it. And when time me did that now, it went time I gone, and at the time he stay the yard. Oi.
Hey boy have woman over there.
Son of that me tell ya.
Titi, thank you. Make we see it.
Me no want you drop down, me no want to show you.
Who I go drop down? Blood clot that way. What me
Guys,
say?
shoot na, guys, shoot na.
And remember say you once love him just like how.
My once love him, and one time a boy me 80, me 90, me blood clot 10, me 88 blood clot in. What you talk about now?
Well, me want about my so alright, this sure.
Me look for me at that phone. Wait. Me a come.
Where the blood clot you think? Are you gonna show me that? Where you show me that for? When me don't make Lando dig out my hole, anytime in camp, please me come and watch you.
19G.
Where you show me that for? Me don't want to see that. Just like when I play the game, me I play the game blood clot too.
Annie, you're a woman. I don't want you to talk like that.
Talk about a plumbing car, that was a prank, so it's not plumbing. You don't need it.
Annie, I don't want you to talk like that. Please, do not talk like that. You're a young, beautiful,
Alright,
excellent lady.
Jaden. Alright.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna do that.
Never see a plumbing, but it wouldn't be plumbing because I did prank him did this.
I'm not plumbing that.
plumbing,
By the way,
that's
me no
a
want to see
line
no girl. Me no want to see no girl.
So, girl, I go watch the TV where
Me
you're
no want to see no girl. Me no want to see no girl. A boy go suck him mother.
But suck your mother police.
Plenty blood clot time.
Suck out your
That me
mother
I tell
police.
you.
You know a long
Tell the girl
class.
to set a bucket.
You know a long class of dirty police.
Tell the girl to set a blood clot bucket. Remember me tell you.
Blood clot. TikTok police, we have to set bucket figure shit. TikTok police. TikTok police, we have to set blood clot bucket figure ass clot beard. TikTok police, you have to pray for rainfall so you get water because blood clot.
So you get some water to go wash him stinking body. Your first boy me to get water so.
TikTok police, we have to wait for rainfall. You have to pray to God every day for water blood clot come in our shop. Because water no run over blood clot in. TikTok
Right,
police, we
so.
have to set water bucket there so fish shit outside. That is TikTok police.
Oh, woman for blood clot this me. Oh, woman for blood clot this me. Oh, she for blood clot this me. What she blood clot can have over me mother where she can talk about on the media? Eh? Him a plumb me come suck my pussy back way, front way and blood clot side way. And that them for come blood clot though. Think no blood clot. So good boy can blood clot this me. Eh? So good stinking blood clot boy when I like beer can blood clot this me. Eh?
Annie, if you go back in, you're not going to be friend with me. You know?
Oh, me not go back there then. When me I go back I go?
So me can class him, right?
Class him blood clot.
Dirty
He don't
stinking
like you.
TikTok police. So good like breathe. Stinking dog shit. TikTok police, me as a blood clot. Dirty fatty man. Dirty dog bed. Dirty raw mouth.
Every day you boast by your dead dude. Me and you both know say it's a dead cat that you blood clot. Me know see up in your body hole him a tear up in her. You think like a dog. Make me go fix your blood clot car where I walk now. Make me go do that because me not give you me money if you go fix the car where blood clot walk. Yeah. That car supposed to have blood clot drive. If your car a blood clot walk dog shit. So make me go blood clot fix it. Yeah, you get a blood clot TV now. You get a TV, make me go fix the blood clot or bumbo clot, yabba do blood clot fix a car. Dog shit. Yeah, look man for mine you like you're mining. You're mining. You're blood clot mining. Thinking boy. Ungrateful no blood clot. There's an ungrateful drunk crow. That's why your mother no agree. Your mother see you one say you're so good. Your mother say you're a batty man. When me hear your phone, mother say you're a batty man. Remember me tell you my blood run
Bad.
Come on,
when me hear your phone and mama will birth you. Say you're a batty man. So good man. Eh? My blood run cool. What me look when I tell you say? Me say me can't deal with you. Me can't deal with you because you see once you class your mother. Eh? And me have pitney what do it to me. Brother, me tell you so me can't blood clot them with you. Me love man will love their mother.
Yes.
Know that.
Thank you,
so from your class, your blood clot, mama. Remember me tell you me no want you.
Okay, thank you.
Oh. Yeah, your mama live bad like a blood clot dog. Like two blood clot mongrel.
TikTok police we a chat.
You come blood clot talk about me. You chat about me dog shit. You know nobody?
You look like say anytime police broke, police find something because make you argue because you know say you go class.
Yes.
I know say you love run. I know say you love run back.
So anytime he broke, he just come up with blood clot something. Because first of all, for you see the woman and I know she not cute.
No, you're going to know it for sweet cat because I know me alone I go talk about the cat baby. I know me alone I go talk about the blood clot cock. So you're going to know if a sweet blood clot cock.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, some man in the anime don't get like a popularity and then don't know how to deal with it. Because before you and me never been a one so.
I got in a do. I got
26 rows, 26 rows.
Other woman. In come out and eye funny. Guys, each person one rose, guys.
26 rows, guys. 26 rows.
Eye funny. You know when start to do? We started to show people like me, I run him down and them something there. You understand me? You the boy go talk about babes. I have a ring for you now. But work feet. So this blood clot.
Oh, what the blood clot?
If you work feet. If I feel a ring, if you give you have to work for you.
How are the blood clot this?
Guys, me know the day sound and not support me, you know. But me
Look
beg
on
you,
him
know,
blood
God knows
clot.
that everybody there so me can't catch his speed. Or not tap his scream. You understand me? I say me know there's so many people there over
Like,
here.
use it double, use it double, use it double. Cause your Cuss are not begging.
Me
Come on,
not
guys,
beg
shoot
right now. Me a
something.
focus.
We are
Guys,
Cuss
tap
and
his
beg.
screen for me.
Come on, my team, come on, my
Come
team.
over here so go argue with me. I can't see say people them over there now give him. As soon as he get $100, $200 me case I go draft, he go party every blood clot night. You understand me? See as he done in come back I tell the people them tap up his scream. I saw now deal with me so like me rape. Eh?
There you go. Dirty batty man, raw
Thank you,
mouth.
baby. Thank you.
Stinking
You know
batty
when
man.
do? D, me put him on my
Humble
moderator
clot.
system. I know say boy block me gifters.
G19, bad mind boy.
I saw them time, sometimes they block your
Bad mind.
blessing, man. I saw them
Yeah.
Bad mind.
In bad, me block me
In
gifters.
bad
You
mind.
went to me gifters now. Woman said unblock me get for gift Annie. You know, if me unblock you, you go give. You now go continue give me. That is said to the woman.
What a wicked batty, dirty bad man,
Guys,
dirty batty man.
The whole of them just go over there in our live and comment.
need help, Jabas, where you there?
That's all. Just go over there in our live and comment, okay, Bruk. Everybody just go over there and comment, okay, Bruk.
Me need help, Jabas, where you there?
Because when we see Kitty and Sabrina over there, Cuss don't make one blood clot sense. So they just go find her and comment, okay, Bruk, and come back. That's all.
Thank you, baby. Thank you, boss.
But they can't comment in our live. Me told them say them come over them and make up one bag of lie. And them a say this and them a say that and them a say make no blood clot sense. No them say make no sense. Just like how them boring for life, I see them say them blood clot boring in a real life. You look at dirty girl go come for life, go talk about fight one. After one man said, we're not crosses and me walk out, got slung in a car. She got to the man, got talk about don't come friend of crosses because she under her blood clot Mali. And then the man a choke her out her face. Me go to try party fight. Me and the boy end up start fight. She run come in, jab 2 blood clot, coward stab. Run out and start tell everybody say she's about man for me. The girl never get a charge. The girl never get locked up. She call every blood clot body and tell them say she want bail. And nobody never got no police. Kitty is a blood clot liar. Tell Kitty say must go and tell Uno when is our court date for the fight so she fight for me. Since she fight for me. Tell her when ask her when is our court date. Ask her that. Say when are your blood clot court date. Ask her that. Me what your people?
A video who. No boy can video me or do nothing. No boy
You ever see how money me I do it for? Did I tell him to come to my yard?
Tell him
Okay,
to
I'm
run
not telling
video.
you because some man not
Tell him
get
to run
Because first
video.
of all, you did it.
A video.
You see how everything happen. When you see me there in my blood clot yard, and they come at me yard, and me
A
fuck up
video
them blood
go.
clot, and none of them just can't.
Anyhow him have a video of me. Me a sue out him blood clot and this time I not threat. Anyhow him have a video of me without my consent. Me a sue out him blood clot. You think you would have seen reach a jail yet? And now that see me put him a jail. You think blood clot we bring a put him a jail? And now I would have jail him blood clot. Anyhow we have a video of me without my consent. Me I tell you, right? Sorry, wrong game. Me I tell you, say me a sue out him blood clot. What? D, send it back. Send that back. Tell D if you send me back a request. Me say, well on make a guys. He not block me, and me block him. I like the drunk cartel, me block him from yesterday. Me block the dog shit from yesterday. And from yesterday, me block the dog shit. Me block him on his maid page. Me block him on WhatsApp. The commenter goes fast. Him. Make him play it. Make you see it. I must see him as thinking plummy. Because guys, me sure know say I know me. Me and him never go on a video. God kill me right here. So that boy never, ever video me yet. Make him play the video. Make Drunko play the video. Drunko pitch. Because you could never put blood clot video for me. And me hear about blood clot you all used here. You could have never point a blood clot camera for me dog shit. And anything me do to you in a bed, me can blood clot chat that dog. Remember me tell you, remember say you suck out my blood clot tongue. So anyway, you suck out your own hood out of my mouth, Drunko. You know me batty boy? You know blood clot me? Run blood clot video. Run blood clot video. Run blood clot video, drunk crow. Run blood clot video, so cold. So cold. Run video. You think you can style blood clot, me body blood clot boy, TikTok police when you play the blood clot ass man? Eh? Where you played for your dick for man in a blood clot video for money? TikTok drunk or blood clot police. Where you played your blood clot dick for man in a video? You can run the blood clot video for me? Tell Plum if you run that, cause all time video that. Both you idiot. Eh? Drunk or anything you talk about me, remember. I used to see one suck out my blood clot tongue. Remember, see you a suck. Hello. Make Batty Boy run video. Make Batty Boy run video. Tell Batty blood clot maga wishy blood clot boy for run video. Tell that bumbo clot crew better for run video. I go swat him blood clot. Remember me tell you, I mean no, me not in a video with Batty blood clot, bumbo clot, wishy-washy blood clot boy we want some porridge. Thinking blood clot boy we live in a box food blood clot god. Box food blood clot guinea blood clot god. Drunk row, run blood clot video. Come on, you tell a blood clot like how me make a get for fuck you up. Eh? You style me and use me in the most vulnerable blood clot moment, dog shit, dirty thinking boy. So me want you run blood clot video. And that me want your blood clot though. Me want you come up here because you're hungry like a blood clot dog. You spend out the whole of the blood clot money where you have. Hey boy, don't play your blood clot self with me. Because mind if me tell the people that, hey, TikTok police, I will drag myself and drag your blood clot, you know. Because I will tell the people that where you have in a drunk row. Me know why you played me in a dog shit. Hey boy, run the video. Run the blood clot video, dog shit. You nasty blood clot serpent, you. You's a nasty blood clot drunk row. Run the video. You can't play with me. This a shit up dirty blood clot batty boy, yeah? Where you walk and trust out the people them blood clot things them in your community. Go down at the blood clot bar, go pay the woman a $8,000 dog shit because me give you the money and you take the money. Now come. Separate from her. Go pay the people them blood clot bill. Where you walk and trust out the people them blood clot shop drunk row. The people them tired of you. The people them tired of you popping. Popping blood clot thief. Where you walk and trust out the people them blood clot place. Go pay the people them blood clot money. All the girl when me give the money for go pay the bill at the night, the bar the night. The night me and this drunk row there at the bar, you know. I will drink and enjoy ourselves, you know. And this blood clot, maga blood clot, guy looking blood clot lizard boy. A boy walk away and don't pay the woman her money, you know. Dog, she go pay the people them blood clot bill here come talk about her badness you depan. Eh? Yeah, come talk about her badness you depan. Shit up batty blood clot boy. Eh? We're gonna fix your blood clot, bumbo clot ceiling. Shoppy go fix your blood clot ceiling. Your wall them rough, no blood clot. Your wall them rough like your blood clot foot back. For your young blood clot boy like you have bunny on. For your young blood clot boy like you have blood clot bunny on. Your blood clot wall rough like your blood clot foot back. Shoppy! 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 Run the blood clot video. Hey, you better glad me like you, you know, because hey boy, me did want lick you in your blood clot up there, you know. Remember me tell you, you know, me did want fuck you up there, you know, youth. You better glad me did really rate you, you know, pussy. I bet you can't hold me cash anymore. You can't hold me cash anymore. Me have sense. Annie have sense. You can't hold me cash anymore. Jabas and Jaden teach me. Jabas and Jaden blood clot teach me, Shoppy. You not get me money if you stack out your blood clot shop. Come put up this channel, come. Think no blood clot. You not get any money anymore. Post up with my money in your blood clot pocket. Dog shit. Wait, money them drop back I bed. You can't take it out when me done. Pussy, you can't blood clot style me. And when they say me not have no door, you better be careful. And when they say me not have no door, you better be careful. Young blood clot boy like you. Remember me tell you can't talk about me because me a big man here. Me know me have one blood clot tooth right here. So young boy like you to blood clot. Looking at your blood clot mouth. Looking at your mouth blood clot shop if you're a young blood clot boy like you. Young fresh and green blood clot boy. And your foot then cracky like a blood clot road. Thinking blood clot boy. Your bumper clot wall look just like your blood clot foot. Boy like you will have bunion. Underneath your blood clot foot. Go beg plummy cut out the bunion from underneath your foot. Beg plummy. Make you lie down and cut out the bunion from underneath your blood clot foot dog shit. For your young blood clot boy like you. Me not think of all young man. All blood clot man fi have bunion. Me not think of all boy fi have bunion. Young blood clot boy like you shit up like a dog. You shit up like a dog. You can't make a money off of me now. You can't make a money, but you would have never get back that energy. You would have never get back that blood clot energy from me drunk crow. Remember me tell you, money you try make off of me dog shit. Cause no matter what you do, are you afraid of blood clot bring a because bring a car police pan you? Oh God man. Father God know you know. You me said a batty boy you know. This pussy you know. Pray for me you know. See me on social media you know. And I pray the drunk pray for me because he say me I got you a thing with me youth them you know. And this batty blood clot boy come in you know. Swooping like him a blood clot Prince Charming, you know. Then the time I use him blood clot brains. Batty boy, you no pay for no dinner. You pay for no blood clot dinner, you broke no blood clot. Why your bumper clot pay for dog shit? You pay for no blood clot dinner. Eh? Me just did want have a good moment. I just did want a good blood clot time in my life. Something good for once. Something good for once, see me. You pay for none of dog shit. You can't pay for blood clot them the dinner there. Thinking blood clot boy. You can't pay for things like them there. Eh? I just did want to have a good moment. Me just did want something real. And you can't style me. Me never did not style you. Me rate your pussy. Me did rate you. Me did blood clot rate you. Really blood clot rate you drunk bro. Eh? And you can't style me for blood clot nothing. Batty boy. Go suck your mother. Go suck out the deepest part of your big thinking old mama. Think like a dog. You really feel some mother cuss that the girl eh? Congratulations, young miss. Congratulations. Why would you think I would argue about that, young miss? Why would I do that? What me I argue with her for? And me put myself in a the blood clot position. And me put myself up there so. You hear me tell you? And me put myself there. Who you can't see say me is a wicked boy. Once I plumb me that, you can't see say a wicked boy. The boy set me up from day one. From day one, TikTok police set me up. From day one, TikTok police set me up. It was just a game. It was just all a setup. The boy just in a use me and a pray for my heart. I pray for my heart. I block me gift as them. You hear me tell you? In the my moderator system, any man I deal with me, in block them from a page. Anybody I deal with me, I try cut me off. Hey, give me some for wipe my face, me calm down. So we give me something. It was a setup from day one. It was all I use. It was all I use. I mean, no say whole heap of online use. Excuse me from your son. Who want that the TV? Then me I go show you oh my God bless. Me no want that the blood clot TV, the batty boy. Keep that for you. Remember me show you, me is a God bless boy. Anything me give one look at dirty thinking batty boy, me no want it. Anything me blood clot boy give man, me no want it. Batty boy take that. Because God a go make me flourish. Anything me do me for you, me do it from my blood clot heart. Know that. Why would I want back blood clot TV? Eh? Plug in my phone. All you must feel guilty when you watch that the TV day. When you watch that the TV, the guilty conscience a kill you. Dirty boy. When you watch that the TV, then me say your heart must a kill your blood clot when you watch that the blood clot TV day. And so if you left you make your conscience ride your nasty stinking blood clot. Me no want but that the blood clot TV day. Me tell you what in there. The kettle, the TV, pussy, the pot. Remember me tell me I have to buy a brand new pot because you're shitting at the pot. When me come there, me find out say you're shitting at the pot out the door. Drunk row. Shitting a blood clot pot boy. Shitting a pot blood clot TikTok police. TikTok police, you're shitting at the blood clot frying pot out the door. Drunk row, hide it back at the tank. TikTok police, you shit up in the pot. Yeah, the frying pot out the door where you hide back at the blood clot tank. Don't even have no blood clot yard space. You have blood clot yard space. Eh? If you have piss in front of your blood clot doorway, me come at your yard and you tell me if you piss in front of your blood clot doorway, your yard rank no blood clot. Your yard rank right in front of your blood clot doorway rank. Make plummy take up a disinfectant when me go buy to up the thing to blood clot and me come up there come clean up a place. Make plummy take up a disinfectant. Plummy have to go choose some disinfectant at the front part. Be a piss blood clot. Did the boy just come out and blood clot piss in front and look do away. Think like a dog. That's why your mama want you left yard. That's why your mama want you left yard because you're not pollute the blood yard drunk crow. You know they look a piece of blood. You're not pollute